Welcome to this tutorial on how to exclude the code block on WordPress. In this guide, you will learn a series of straightforward steps that will help you modify your WordPress site to exclude a particular block type. We will walk through the entire process from logging into your WordPress account to configuring your preferences within the site editor. To begin, open your internet browser and navigate to the WordPress homepage. Once you are on the WordPress site, the first action is to locate the login option at the top right corner of the page. This placement is standard on the site and ensures that authorized users can easily access their account. Clicking on the login button will take you to the secure authentication page. After clicking login, you will see an option that says Continue with Google. This feature is designed for users who prefer using an existing Google account for authentication. Select this option and choose the appropriate account from the list that appears. This method streamlines the login process by reducing the need to remember a separate username and password for WordPress. Now that you have successfully logged into your WordPress account, the next step is to navigate to the Quick Links section. In this section, you will find the Edit Site option. Clicking on Edit Site will open the site editor, providing you with an interface to manage and customize your website's content and settings. Within the site editor, you will see a series of icons and menus. The following step is to look for the three dots located at the top right corner of the editor interface. These three dots represent a menu with further options for customization. When you click on these dots, you will be presented with additional settings that affect various functionalities of your site. Once you have accessed this additional menu, the next instruction is to click on Preferences. The Preferences section allows you to control multiple aspects of your editing experience, including the behavior of the blocks you use on your site. This area is essential for tailoring your workspace to fit your unique requirements. After selecting Preferences, a new set of options will appear on the screen. Within Preferences, focus on locating the Blocks section. Blocks are an integral part of the WordPress editor, providing modular components such as paragraphs, images, videos, and notably code blocks. In this section, you will have the ability to modify the availability of these blocks. The interface is designed to be intuitive, guiding you through the options available for each block. In the block section, you will find a specific toggle related to the code block. The final step in this tutorial is to turn off the code block option. Deactivating this block ensures that it does not clutter your editor or appear as a selectable option when you are composing your pages or posts. This adjustment is particularly useful if you want to focus solely on content that does not require a coding element. By following these steps carefully, you have now successfully excluded the code block from your WordPress site. Each action in this tutorial is designed to help you streamline your website editing process, making it simpler to maintain a clean and efficient workspace. Enjoy your newly optimized site editor and the increased focus on your content creation without the distraction of unused block options.